Welcome to the exhibition. Littoral Zone is a show featuring printmaking, sculpture, and virtual reality work that uses motifs and imagery from folklore to allow us to think about our relationship with the user data that we generate over the course of living our lives. The one that I kind of landed on was the figure of the selkie, which is a shape-shifting seal figure. And this idea of a being that moved between two very different worlds. Like the selkie reclaiming their seal skin, I was looking at various ways that I could reclaim some of my user data in a generative way, where I'm working with my Google location tracking data. So what are all the GPS coordinates that my phone has logged over the course of a day? And plotting that in three-dimensional space, where each island is a three-dimensional plot of my GPS coordinates over one day.